Look, Kong! We're finally here! The Emerald Star!
It's magnificent, isn't it, little one? Let's get on board. Make sure the buckle clicks and the straps are pulled tight.
Check!
How about the Island Day pineapple?
Yum!
La la la.
Whee! Ooh, this is amazing!
Here, have some popcorn.
And so the little whale swam deeper, guided only by the glowing map and the soft light of the seismic lantern.
Good morning, Sea!
Looks like the tender is right on schedule. We should be boarding soon.
Island time!
Wavy!
Look how brightly they all shine tonight.
I found them all here on the map, shining bright.
Jody calls, steady pace. We're running all around the place. Pick it up now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Best trip.
Cảm ơn biển.
Ready home!